Okay, here is a Mitsubishi Mr. Slim R410A air conditioner at a Hilton Garden Inn in Frisco, Texas. It's a 1.5 ton. What's the serial number? Here we go. I think it's from 2013. Yeah, it's kind of cool today. It's running. Actually, it's August and it's really cool. It's like in the 60s right now, I believe. Anyway, so okay, here's another one kind of crammed back in the bushes. It's the same thing. Here's data. This is also 1.5 ton. It's got the same. I think it's from 2013 as well. So this is like exactly the same. Disconnect. Over and out. Just the back of it. Okay, here's another Mitsubishi. It's exactly the same, 1.5 ton from 2013, I think. And also with this one, we got a Trane XB13, I think. That's what it is. It's off, unfortunately, but. Okay, it's from 2008, and yeah, XB13. It's a 3 ton. Let's back that Mitsubishi over.